The Nigerian government is targeting raising the same amount via multilateral and bilateral borrowing to fund its 2021 budget deficit. Nigeria's finance minister says they have an approval in the 2021 budget to fund the budget deficit 50% locally and 50% externally. He said they plan to do about half of that in Eurobonds and the other half through other windows such as multilateral and bilateral sources. Nigeria's parliament in July approved external borrowing of about $6.2 billion. Nigeria is struggling to boost growth after exiting its second recession since 2016 in the fourth quarter of last year. Its economy grew 5.01% in the second quarter. Meanwhile, internet services in South Sudan have been disrupted, and security forces patrolled the streets after activists called for protests against President Salva Kiir's government. The capital, Juba, was quieter than usual as residents sheltered inside. Mobile data has been unavailable on the network of South African mobile operator MTN Group from late on Sunday, and by Monday morning, it had also been halted on the network of Kuwait-based operator Zain Group. The director of NetBlock says it had detected significant disruption to internet services in South Sudan beginning Sunday evening, including to leading cellular networks. Finally, South Africa's embattled restaurant industry is now struggling even more under the COVID-19 restrictions, as the country's ongoing lockdown since March 2020 has limited their operating hours and customer traffic. South Africa is still in the grips of a third-wave epidemic and has limited customer numbers, cutting trading hours significantly amid several alcohol bans at restaurants. The Restaurant Association estimates that 14,000 restaurants have shut down since March 2020, adding to a soaring unemployment rate. However, residents remain optimistic as anyone older than the age of 18 can get their COVID-19 jab, which can hopefully attract consumers back to dine at restaurants.